We are Pakistan, Pot 14. The old floodplain. The meander land covered floodplains. The old floodplain is an area which is the meander and cover floodplains cover the area between the alluvial terraces and the active floodplain, and they are the old floodplains, a very important part. They are only flooded when there is heavy monsoon rainfall. They are covered with old alluvium deposited in the past. Features found on the old floodplain include abandoned channels, meander scars, and the remains of oxbows, sometimes still containing water. The alluvial terraces are bars and areas of higher ground between rivers formed by erosion of old alluvium. They are formed in the upper Indus plain in Chaj, Rachna, and Bari Doabs. They are also called scalloped interflues, Sandal Bar, Rachna Doab, Ganji Bar, Bari Doab, Neeli Bar, Bari Doab, Kirana Bar on Chaj Doab are the predominant and prominent alluvial terraces. The surface of the alluvial terraces is flat and has a southwest slope. The terraces are considered ideal for agriculture with the help of irrigation. The location of alluvial terraces can be ideal one. The alluvial terraces such as those Sandalbar in the Rachna Doab, Ganji Bar in the Bari Doab, and Neeli Bar in the Bari Doab, and Kirana Bar in Chaj Doab are the prominent alluvial terraces, and they are part of Bahawalpur Plain that has been reclaimed through irrigation, also falls within the boundaries of the Indus Plain. The height of the Bahawalpur Plain is identical with the bars and doabs of the alluvial terraces. Cross section doab. A doab is the land between two rivers and their confluence. When the rivers enter the mature valley, a number of hypographical features are formed on doab due to erosion of the deposits and the two main functions of a river on a floodplain, namely the levee, active floodplain, old floodplain, meander floodplain, cover floodplain, scarp, a long steep slope or at a cliff at the edge of the plateau or the ridge usually formed by erosion, bar upland, alluvial terrace, etc. The floodplains in Doab area also has abandoned channels, oxbow lakes, etc. Doabs are favored as areas for a number of human activities such as farming, construction of settlements, building of rail tracks and roads, and other industrial or business activities. A number of topographical features contribute to a high population density in Doab areas of Pakistan. The active floodplains flooded nearly every year, so it is ideal land for crops which require plenty of water such as rice and sugarcane. Meander floodplains or the cover floodplains are good locations for arable farming, growing crops in fertile lands. The poorer soils should be used for human settlement for the residential purposes.